Hi guys, so this is a quick video of how to get slime out of your carpet. Sorry my TV's on and my brother is yelling. He's probably playing Roblox or Granny or something. But yeah, I'm just going to show you how to get slime out of your carpet. So what you're going to need is some water and some baking soda. I tried this on some like older, like a flarp stain, but it like didn't work that, like, I don't know, you might have to do it more. But so yeah, so you just want to put the baking soda onto the slime and then put the water all over where your slime is. So I'm just putting it all over the place where my slime is because I was playing with the slime and it like drizzled off because it was like wet because I added water to it. But then you just want to like scrub it off and it should start to come off. Hopefully this doesn't make a stain in my carpet. Like a flarp. So I'm just gonna put baking soda all over the place. And this did work for me, so I know that it works because I've done it before. So you just want to not mix, but scrub it. And it might take a little bit, but you just want to keep scrubbing. Until it gets off. The water is getting everywhere, but I'll clean it up after I get the slime out. So I just opened a new bottle of water because the other one is empty. I don't really know how the baking soda works. I know it just works. I saw a video on it, so I saved it on Instagram. And I got some in my carpet today. So I'll try this method to get it out, and it did. So I see it a lot, and it's like vinegar. But if you don't know if you have vinegar, or if you're too lazy to go and find vinegar, but you know that you have baking soda, because I made slime with Contact solution and baking sodas, and I have the baking soda in my room. So I was like, I'll just use the baking soda method, because if I didn't have the baking soda, I wouldn't get the slime out of my carpet easily. It would just have a stain. So, yeah. Am I almost out of baking soda? Oh no, I'm almost out of baking soda. I'm out of baking soda, guys. There's like a little bit left in the bag. Uh-oh. Hopefully it comes out. I'll just keep scrubbing. Let's add a lot of water. That was a lot of water. Now my floor is gonna be wet, which it already is in a different place because I did it in a different place. This one got all over the place, and there's gonna be a big stain on my floor now. But it does work. This one was just a bigger stain, or like slime, because I'll show you where it was on the other place on my carpet. I got it off. So I'm just out of baking soda, so. Okay. So right here there was some, and it got off, and right here there was some. There's still a little bit left. So yeah, still gonna try to get this off. Sorry I keep moving you back. There's like water there where you guys were, so. Because you're on a like doll salon chair as a tripod. But if you compare it from the beginning, there is a change. So this is way better than just trying to get it off by scrubbing it with your nails. I'm gonna try to get the last bit of baking soda out. So I'll just have to stand on my carpet. But I'm probably going to do it more off camera. I actually have a towel in here. So I'm going to try it with this towel. Because my hands are kind of getting sticky. So if you don't want to get your hands dirty, you can use a towel. But I just want to use my hands. See, it's coming out. Like down here. I got a notification, so I was trying to read it. Sorry, Squidward is on. And I feel like changing. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more water on it. Or the rest of the bottle. This is a little bottle, so. But I'm gonna do all that I can to get this slime off, because that's my determination. So definitely if you run out of baking soda and you just scrub it, it will come out, because look guys. So this definitely works. I'm not scamming you on anything. I didn't put anything in the baking soda. It was just baking soda and water. I didn't put vinegar in the water bottles. It was pure baking soda and water mix. And I think maybe you can mix them together and just put it on and scrub it. You could do that. I don't know if you can do that, but that'd be a thing to do. So what I was trying to get out earlier is a Flarp stain that's been there for about a year, probably, or a couple months. Probably not a year, but it's an older stain and it's a big one. But yeah, so there's where it was, and it's gone now. It has a few other things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think soda all over my case from touching it. But thank you for watching this video. Please click that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go follow my main Instagram, KatieBuck77. It's like Stranger Potter, but there's a dot between the S and the T. It will be in, it's in my about page. I don't know if my updated Harry Potter one is, but I'm going to be updating my about page. Go follow Katie.Flips, my gymnastics one. And that's about it. Go follow Katie and May, CADY and MAI. The sky is orange. It looks different on camera, but it's orange. So yeah, that's about it. Go follow my Musical.ly, Katie.Bear. Go follow May's Musical.ly, I don't know. It's like MAAAAI. Okay, well, if you go to my Musical.ly, I tag her on a lot of things, so you can find it there. Get one of her Musical.lys to 10K likes, please. Please. We will meet anyway, but still get it to 10K likes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my channel. So yeah, bye. Bye.